It all started with a very sick little boy. The boy had been sick nearly all his life. All he and his family knew were hospitals, doctors, and treatment centers. And of course, all the different medicines. A stroke of good luck, and almost overnight, the little boy got better. The family was so happy as their biggest dream had come true. But alas, their happiness was short-lived. You see, transplant recipients take immunosuppressants to prevent rejection of the new organ. But even the smallest medication mistake can have significant consequences. Sadly, they lost the transplant, and the little boy lost his health, and it was back to the doctors and hospitals. Now, their story could have ended there, like so many others. But the man, he just couldn't stop thinking about this terrible tragedy that befell the little boy. He quickly learned that they were not alone with this problem. About 1/3 of organ transplants are lost to rejection, and medication mistakes claim thousands of lives and billions of dollars each year. After much thought, the man had an idea. He knew the solution had to be a wearable device that would be with the person at all times, providing constant alerts regardless of life's challenges. He knew one of the biggest problems with so many devices is you can turn off the alarms too easily. So he designed the device so that only the medicine itself could turn off the alarm. He did it by placing a deactivation tag under the pill bottle's cap. It was simple yet effective, with each swipe creating a timestamp to verify adherence, and no one could tell if it was a medical device. The man shared his idea with doctors, medical device manufacturers, and pharmaceutical companies, but they turned him away. An investor told him that no one would invest in such an idea because it couldn't be patented. So the man fought to get the patent. He ran back to the same doctors, medical device manufacturers, but they turned those noses up again. Someone told him, "You need a prototype, so people can see how it really works." One day, CertAlert was born, and it worked perfectly. Oh, what a day. Still, doctors and device manufacturers turned their noses up. They said, "You're too early. We don't invest in hardware. There's too much competition." One day, the man met Chad, an MBA who liked working on startups. They formed a partnership. Chad taught the man about business, while the man taught Chad about medication adherence. Chad introduced him to his friend Madeline. Madeline, who possessed extensive knowledge and expertise in collecting and organizing data, immediately understood the value of the data would be collected by the device. She knew it would greatly benefit medical research, including clinical trials. And so, Team CertAlert was born. They added 6 grad students with big brains. The team was at full strength, ready to bring CertAlert to those who need it. But they needed one more thing: you. This is your chance to make a difference and be a part of something special and rewarding. You have the opportunity to help people in a profound, life-changing way. Join us and help fund CertAlert so we can bring this useful medication adherence device to anyone who needs it. And just when you thought the story couldn't get any more interesting, those snooty doctors and medical device manufacturers who turned their noses up at the man in the beginning came crawling back to him, tails between their legs. "We're so sorry we didn't believe in you earlier," they said. "Your CertAlert device is a genius invention that is helping people in need. Please forgive our arrogance and let us invest in your company now." But the man just laughed and said, "No way, you had your chance. Now it's too late. I'm going to help people with CertAlert without your help. You guys can just keep those snooty noses of yours turned up in the air from now on." I'm just kidding. The man didn't say that. Actually, he had them join the team so they could help even more people. CertAlert went on to become a huge crowd favorite and even would make great contributions to medical research. And that, my friends, is the story of CertAlert. The end.